the worst performer in the S&P 500 today after issuing a profit warning, finishing the day down almost 27%. Meg Terrell is here. She has the details. Hi, Meg.
Hey, guys. So this was a pretty striking press release out from Catalent this morning. The company warned that it is having productivity issues and higher than expected costs at 3 of its facilities, 2 of which are its largest. It said this will adversely impact the quarter that just closed in March and the outlook for the rest of the year. And to top it off, the CFO abruptly departed as of yesterday. So they have an interim finance chief in the spot right now. Now, Catalent does some manufacturing for a lot of companies we've heard of. It helps make the Moderna COVID vaccine at one of its plants. At its new gene therapy plant, it also is working on Sarepta's new gene therapy for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. So you actually saw that stock get hit a little bit today as people were worried that could affect the company's upcoming FDA review process. I reached out to Sarepta. They said the news today has no impact on our production and launch plans. But of course, this hitting Catalent especially hard right now.
Okay, you mentioned Moderna. It has some important cancer vaccine data on Monday. How important for investors?
This is very important because it helps bring Moderna beyond the COVID vaccine and into cancer. And so we think of vaccines as things that are preventive, but this is actually a treatment for cancer, specifically for melanoma. And the way it works is they sequence a person's cancer, in this case melanoma, and then they make a personalized mRNA vaccine that then trains their immune system to better fight their cancer. And they showed that when they combine this with Keytruda, the drug from Merck, that they could reduce the risk of recurrence or death from melanoma by 44% versus just using Keytruda alone. So we're going to get more details on Sunday about this. What investors are looking for is, what does the durability of this look like? Do the data continue to hold up? And are there no major safety issues? So that's going to be a really huge update.
How long have those tests been going on in terms of seeing the effectiveness of this mRNA technology in this capacity?
Yeah, I mean, they've been working on this. This is a phase 2B trial, so this is a mid-stage study. So how long they've actually looked out, I'd have to check on, how long the results hold up. But so far, it's been looking pretty good.
What would bad news look like on Monday if we're bracing ourselves?
Well, specifically, there's something known as the Kaplan-Meier curve, where you really want to see the lines separate to show that there's a real benefit from the treatment. If those lines are not separating substantially, or, if the benefit does not look like it's holding up, or if there are any safety issues, of course, those would all be bad things.
Huh. Well, Meg, this is your last day with us, and I am heartbroken at that because you are the best. You've brought us such great insight through the pandemic, before and after, into this really important sector in the economy. We are going to miss you.
I'm going to miss you guys so much.
You are the maven of all things medical. We certainly could not have navigated the pandemic and bringing the coverage that we did to our audience in real time and in a smart way and in an apolitical way without you. And of course, even before that. But it is, we wish you all the best and a big congratulations in the next chapter of your life. And we will miss you. We'll miss you terribly.
The feeling is so mutual. Thank you. You guys are a family, and I hope I'll stay a part of it.
Of course. You can tell us now, who's your favorite anchor here?
It's both of you.
Well, Meg, thanks.
We're going to finish this conversation offline.